Let's go. So, why it's a must? Yeah. So, actually, trading it's like extreme sports. It's super difficult. It's risky. Yeah, it has high reward to risk ratio. Yeah, but it's super risky. Uh, Actually, the financial markets they work like a pump. Yeah, pump of money from those who lose to those who win. Yeah, because if you buy something, somebody sells it to you. If you buy Apple stock at $100, somebody sells it to you at $100. If you sell it at 200, somebody buys it from you at 200. Yeah, so everybody cannot win at the same time. And actually, majority of traders, they are losing money. You can just see it in disclaimers of each regulated brokerage company. Yeah, so if you go to majors, you will see on their websites disclaimers either at the top or at the bottom of the website that trading CFD is risky and approximately 75, 85, 65, whatever. But majority of clients are losing their money. Yeah, so it's very hard to start trading in profits. But if you can make some profits on the market, it's very difficult to earn enough money in absolute values, yeah, in thousands of dollars to survive, to make a single source of living. Because let's take an example, yeah. So you have $10,000 and you've made 50% during a year. How much is it? It's $5,000. If you divide it by 12 months, it will be like 460 or so dollars. It's less than you will earn in any fast food or coffee company. Yeah, so you can work at lowest paid job and earn more than you could do if you have big deposit, more than average deposit worldwide. Yeah, and you do the good profits. So if you don't take too big risks, it's very hard for the trader for you to earn enough money in absolute values. Yeah, so either you take high risks and you earn 700% a year, or you need to have another job. But if you take high risks, it's not sustainable. Yeah, so it's very hard to make enough money for living by trading. And because a lot of people are losing their money on the markets, brokers suffer because clients churn before uh, they pay enough commissions for break even. Yeah, because cost for attraction of a client is pretty much high. So yeah, I mean, like everybody wants to win, but it's damn hard. Yeah, so just a few do. But what if everybody can win together? I mean, like traders, brokers, and investors. What if beginners, they can start following profitable traders, and good traders, they can earn 50, 100 times more, so they can survive on the money they earn. And brokers can gain higher LTV. So like for investors, it looks this way, yeah? So instead of trading on their own, instead of developing strategies, learning how to trade, developing discipline, spending a lot of time and like emotional resources for coping this stress because of trading, they can start coping traders, they can adjust risks. I mean, like risk ratio, what loss they copy and how much money they ready to lose with this trader. And they even can create some sort of investment portfolio with traders. Yeah, it's the same approach as you do with the stocks, but now with traders. Yeah, you just invest your money not in one single trader, but you create a portfolio from 5, 10 traders. If one lose, another wins, and you have very smooth return curve. Yeah, so any approach is suitable here. For traders, same thing. Yeah, instead of trying to earn 50,000 or $100,000 per year on their own capital as profits, yeah, they can start earning share like percent of profit from every client who is following them. And they can earn with different fee types, yeah? Performance fee, it's percent from profit. Trade fee, it's like small commission, added commission from each trade closed. Subscription fee, it's like you pay for Netflix $30 per month or something like that. Every client pays. Yeah, so it can be even stable. Even if you don't earn performance fee, it can be stable source of income for traders. And of course, that fees can be much bigger than own profit, because to reach that amounts, you need to have hundred thousands or millions of dollars. Yeah, and not everybody have that kind of money on their deposits. And also traders can build their public profile with social trading or PAM accounts or MAM accounts profiles. Yeah. Every trader, they have their own statistics page in a leaderboard. Yeah. And if they want to apply to investment fund, for example, for a full-time job in investment fund, yeah, they can add a link to their public profile, and it will tell more than any words, yeah, that they can trade, that they can make stable income. And for brokers, of course, yeah, I mean, like with that kind of products, with social trading, PAM accounts, MEM accounts, clients can survive longer. They will pay you more commissions, and it's easier to sell. So it will be cheaper to attract customers to that kind of products, and they will bring you more money just because they survive longer. So LTV with that kind of products is much higher than for self-traders. Do you have any questions here, or we can move forward to the logic, how it works, and features? Pluses, minuses, or reactions? Guys, anything in chat? Plus, minus, reaction? Okay, looking forward to see you here, there, on my second screen. Okay, all clear. Let's go. So, we start with copy trading because it's the simplest product. It works actually as it sounds. Yeah, so investors copy trades. Maybe even we will start with the interface. Yeah, so everything starts with the leaderboard. Yeah, and it could be like a interface inside of your CRM, or it could be your website. So clients see the leaderboard. If they like a trader, they can follow it. So I will pick one, an account. If they have the account already in your company, they can just fill their login and password and click that they agree to terms and conditions and subscribe. Sorry, a second. Oh, I will choose, sorry, I need to choose another account. Oh, yeah. So it's super easy to start following the master. Yeah, you just go to leaderboard, you fill your login password, and you start following. It can work inside of your CRM, but the principle is the same. So if you are investor, you just register with a broker, you go to leaderboard, you check the statistics of a trader, and if you want to invest, you click invest, but I'm already investor for this guy, so I see view account button. But actually, if you want to invest, you click invest button here. And you start following. I can start following with my existing account, or I can create a new account. Yeah. So I click subscribe, and the next page, I can just make a deposit from my wallet. So it's super simple flow for investors, how they follow. Yeah. And when they start following masters, sorry, you couldn't see my screen. Wow. So yeah, I need to reshare my screen. I was showing to you. Sorry. Apologies. Let's go briefly through one flow. So can you see my screen, this area? Yeah. Boom. Three. Okay. Okay, perfect. So if client wants to invest in a money manager, he just needs to sign up in your CRM and go to leaderboard. In leaderboard, he will see the list of masters he can follow. So he needs to go to his statistics page. If he likes the return curve, performance fees, instruments he trades, so he start follow. And my user already has 2 accounts in copy trading here, which I can subscribe, but I also can create a new one from the same page. Yeah, so it's super easy. I mean, like, you cannot get lost during this process. And at the last step, you can make a deposit and start copying trades from now. So for investor, the flow is super easy, super easy. And the same for companies who are not using our CRM B2 Core, but for example, they have their own. I will show it to you. Clients can subscribe from their website. Yeah, so this is a website. It's not CRM. Yeah, so it's a website, and I've placed here a widget. So clients can start following traders from the website of a brokerage company. Brokerage company even doesn't need to integrate something to their CRM. So they can just place a widget to their website. Clients go here. If they like the statistics, they can start follow. And they just need to fill here login and password to any account they have with this brokerage company. So this is how easy it is. Yeah. And my first position was copied like a second ago. Yeah. Because money manager has his positions opened, and I've copied my own position right after I joined this account. So in this point, are we able to show the leaderboard on front end and in our website? Amer, yes, you can show it on your website. I've just showed the iframe widget, so you can place it to your website, you can place it to your CRM, and you even can make a seamless authorization of your users inside of this widget in your CRM. So it's also possible through API call. Is it clear here? Because I will switch to my presentation one more time. Plus, minus. I'm switching to presentation, but in any case, I can, go back. So options for investors. In copy traders, in copy trading, investors are bosses. Yeah, so they are main people for whom we've made this product. So investors, they can change the allocation method. They can change a risk ratio. Allocation method is a formula how position is copied to them. Risk ratio, it's a multiplier. Yeah, it's used in some allocation methods. They can copy in reverse traders. Yeah, so they can copy in normal mode from the top of the leaderboard, the best traders, and they can copy the worst traders from the bottom of the leaderboard as well. So when they lose, investors win. Investors can pause copy trading from particular masters. Yeah, so it's also possible. So if they want to not to unsubscribe and not to close existing positions, but they just want they just don't want to receive any new positions, they can pause copy. They can subscribe anytime. They can unsubscribe anytime. They can make deposits. So because they have their own account with their own positions. Yeah. So and they also can trade on their own account if they want. So if they see the opportunity that, for example, for NVIDIA stocks or for gold, they can open their own position. But all that features that I've told you, reverse copy, change in allocation method, change in risk ratios, option to close positions, to detach positions from master, to trade on their own, to set risk limits for each master individual. All that options can be turned off by a broker. Yeah, so it's options for administrator if he wants to provide it to clients or not. So if you as a brokerage company don't want to allow clients to trade on their own accounts, you can create read-only accounts or restrict it in a bit different way. If you don't want your clients to change allocation methods, you restrict it. Actually, when we make a setup, we make like the settings we consider like correct ones, but you always can change it in admin panel almost in one click. Yeah. So if you want to provide choose an allocation method for your clients, you can do it in one click. If you want to do ABC actions, you can do it in one click in our admin panel. And the same with can investor follow multiple masters with one same trading account? And this is optional as well. So actually our clients, they are using just two options. Yeah. So either they limit number of active subscriptions for one investment account to one. Yeah. So one investment account can be subscribed to one master, or they don't limit this at all. So one investment account can follow as many masters as he wants. And there is a reason for it. Yeah. So if we limit it by one, you as a brokerage company can put this investment account in the same book as a master placed. Yeah. So if it's in A book, you can place it in A book. If it's in B book, you can place it in B book. And you can be sure it copies trades from that particular master. But if investment account copy trades from 5, 10 different masters, in that case, yeah, risk manager doesn't know in which group to put this account. So let's summarize. Copy trading is made for retail market, for investors. They are bosses here and have a lot of different functions. So investors can close positions earlier than masters. They can trade on their accounts when they want. They can copy in reverse. They can copy in normal mode. They can change allocation methods, risk ratios, loss limits, detach positions from masters. And all that functions are optional. Yeah, so administrator can turn it on or turn it off. But it's super cool for retail market because it works super simple, because all accounts are independent from each other. So works as it sounds. The most popular product we have. Do you have questions here about how it works, maybe about functions, or we can move forward? If everything is clear, it's a plus. If you want to stay longer here, I believe you should ask a question. One, two, three, and we move forward. I suppose everything is clear. But should the client have an account on CRM to activate this feature? You mean the copy trading? Which feature? Copy trading. Actually, yeah. If client must be registered with your company in any case if he wants to use copy trading, because he is opening a trading account and he's making deposit. Yes, so if it's required on your company to make to pass through KYC before client can make a deposit to his account. So yeah, client needs to sign up with you, go through KYC, and then he can invest money. Yeah, so the procedure is the same as for opening any trading account. All the process is doing over the API manager from B2B, right? Look, it's vary depending on the version of the product you have. So if you have our B2 Core, I mean like CRM, yeah, so it's available there like natively. Yeah, you have just menu copy trading and your clients see it and they can open their accounts there. If you have your own CRM or third-party CRMs, it depends on the version, because we have two different versions for work and that can work with third-party CRM, not B2 Core. We have integrations with the main CRMs, actually FXBO, Nullpoint, Core. So if you have one of them or our B2 Core, it will work out from the box. If you have your own, it's very easy to through B2 Core. Yeah. So it will work right out from the box. Yeah, so you just assign additional contact, we turn it on. We need to make a small setup. You will need to provide us empty manager or CTrader manager credentials, but that's it. Yeah, so that's all required from your side. So it's super simple to launch it if you already have the B2 Core. Like 5 minutes. We even can make a demo for you in your B2 Core. Okay, so any other questions, or we move forward to PAM accounts? If plus, we move forward. If minus, ask a question. Okay. 3, 2, 1, we move forward to PAM accounts. So it's just our statistics page. Yeah, I mean, like it looks gorgeous and you can have it on your website. This is the best part. Yeah, so it's same easy to integrate as YouTube video. So PAM accounts. PAM accounts, it's a bit more difficult. Yeah, so actually, when you launch PAM accounts, you can say that you allowing your clients to create their own investment funds inside of your company. So PAM master account, it's like a pie, which consists from different pieces, from money of your investors. So sum of money on PAM master account equals to sum of money on investment accounts. You see here $10,000, which is sum from $1,000, $4,000, and $5,000 on investment accounts. I hope it's clear, right? Just pass. I'd appreciate if you be putting pluses in the chat. So sum of money, money on master account is sum of money on investment accounts, and investors get virtual positions. So position opened on a master account is split as virtual positions on investment accounts proportionally to amounts they have. Yeah, so you see master has 0.01 lot and investor which has $5,000, 50% share, yeah, he has 50% from that position. Because that positions are virtual, we just have them inside of our database. We don't have it inside of the trading server, MT5 or CTrader, whatever. Because they are virtual, we are not limited with the minimum lot for a symbol. So technically, even if master trades with the smallest lots possible for the instrument, positions will be distributed to investors with precision to up to 8 decimal point. And investors will get their profits or losses proportionally to their shares in this big pie, with the precision to the minimum currency digit. Yeah, so we cannot split dollars with bigger precision than to up to 1 cent. But if it's Bitcoin, it can be like to 8 decimal point. So investors get profits and losses proportionally to amounts they invest to the PAM account. Money manager makes 25 cents with this position. 25 cents will be distributed to investment accounts proportionally to amounts. Is it clear? It's like general logic, helicopter view on PAM accounts. If not, you can just write a question. So we have logic behind it. Money managers, they don't need to close positions to accept money or to allow clients to withdraw. Yes, so everything will work fine. Because PAM master account consists of money of all investors, we cannot make immediate deposits or withdrawals, because in that case, equity and the balance and free margin of a master account will be jumping like, yeah, somebody withdraws money, drops, somebody adds money, it goes up immediately. So we don't want clients to have surprises and stop outs just because somebody wants to deposit or withdraw money. So for PAM accounts, instead of immediate deposits withdrawals, how on copy trading, in PAM accounts, when investor wants to make a deposit or wants to make a withdrawal, he makes a deposit request or a withdrawal request. And you as a broker can provide clients options how to execute this deposit or withdrawal requests manually or by a schedule. If it's by a schedule, then at least once in a business day, all deposit and withdrawal requests will be executed. Yeah, so money manager just sets a schedule. For example, every day at 1 p.m., at 2 p.m., at 3 p.m., all deposit withdrawal requests will be executed. And voila, he doesn't need to do anything. He doesn't need to approve anything. He just needs to sit near PC these 3 hours a day. And if he see that somebody wants to make withdrawals or deposits, maybe he will want to adjust his positions, size of his positions. Or you as a broker can allow clients to make manual execution of deposits withdrawal requests. In that case, they will not be executed automatically. So it will require a manual action, clicking a special button by a master in his client interface or by administrator in his interface. We recommend to stay with scheduled execution for retail clients. If this account is owned by your company, it's fine to use manual, yeah, because I mean, like, it's your account. Do whatever you want. But if PAM accounts, PAM master accounts are owned by retail clients you don't know, it's better to use scheduled execution, because if money manager is not executing withdrawal requests pretty much fast, in that case, you will be able, you could get bad reviews in internet. Yeah, so you should be cautious here. If it's retail clients, better to use scheduled execution. Of course, fees can be set individually for everybody, and we have different logics how accounts behave on deposits and withdrawals. Technically, for investors, the process looks the same. Yeah, I mean, like, they have leaderboard, they go see statistics page, they want to subscribe, they click follow, they accept terms and conditions, and then they make a deposit at the next step. Yeah, but it's not executed automatically immediately. they will need to wait until money will go to PAM account. Yeah, either according by schedule or when master clicks his button. Is it clear about how it works, how PAM accounts works? Good. Okay, so let's move forward. Now we talk about MAM accounts. Actually, MAM accounts, it's like a copy trading, but in reverse. Yeah, so copy trading is the most popular and the most simple, the simplest account type we have. Yeah, so it works as it sounds, best for retail clients because investors have all the rights to manage their accounts. And money managers just can see in copy trading who is subscribed to them and how much money they have. That's it. So MAM accounts, it's the opposite side of this medal. Yeah. So MAM accounts built not for investors, but they're built for professional money managers. It's a light private management tool. It provides all the functionality, but not to investors, but to money managers. So when clients invest in MAM accounts, usually they sign LPOA with a broker and broker attaches their account to a money manager. Money manager can see list of investors they have. And money manager can post copy, can reverse copy, can change allocation method, can change risk ratio. And they even can close positions of investors here. It's not money manager's position, it's positions of investors. Yeah, you see this login here and here. So money managers have full control over investment accounts, and they can make their settings individually for each investor. And investor can do what? They can just see that they are subscribed to a money manager. They can make a loss limit. Yeah, so I don't want to lose more than $500 with this guy. And that's it. So investors cannot trade. Investors cannot manage their settings. Investors can just make deposit, withdrawal. They can unsubscribe, they can subscribe, and they can set a loss limit. That's it. But money manager can do all the settings. So this is a tool which is made for money managers, not for investors. Technically, it works the same way. Accounts are individual for MAM accounts and for copy trading, yeah? For money managers and for investors. Individual accounts, they have individual positions, individual balances, yeah? So investors can subscribe and unsubscribe immediately. But here, money managers can do all the settings. Investors cannot do anything and they cannot trade on their accounts. Is it clear how it works? How investors can limit the losses? Let's make it more interactive. Let's go to the client interface one more time. So you see the investment account here. The screen is almost same for MAM accounts and for copy trading. They need to just click actions here, edit, and set a loss limit. I will set 500. It means that I don't want to lose with this master more than $500. So that's how it works. That is how it works. Once my profit and losses will reach minus $500, all positions will be closed. And my account will be unsubscribed from this master. It's the same for copy trading PAM accounts and MAM accounts. So investors click here, edit, and set a loss limit. Is it clear? Cool. Let's move forward. So we covered MAM accounts, we covered copy trading and PAM accounts. Now we go to like few main features I adore. First, we have 6 fee types. So you as a company can implement almost any business model you want. Yeah, I mean like we have performance fee and we have 6 different formulas for performance fee, how it's calculated. It's percent from profit based on high water mark. Yeah, so yeah, but 6 different ways how it can be calculated. Yeah, how this net profit can be calculated for investors. But we also have a volume fee, which is paid when position is closed. Yeah, like dollars per lot. Subscription fee is dollars per period. Yeah, once in a day, once in a week, $5 a week, $30 a month, something like that. Joining fee. It's a perfect instrument for IBs. You can set $50 joining fee, and once investor subscribes to a master, he pays $50. He pays it immediately after subscription. So when he joins this account, when he makes his first deposit, fee is charged, IB gets his fees. So some of our clients utilize this super successfully. Yeah, so they just it's super cool for IBs to get money immediately, not like $100 after a month if master makes profit. No, they get their $20 immediately after the subscription. Management fee, it's like percent from balance or equity. It could be like percent per year or percent per period. But in any case, management fee is made for professional money managers, and usually it's used with MAM accounts. So only professional licensed money managers in regulated companies, FCA, SISIC, or ASIC regulated companies, they can explain their clients what is management fee. Everybody else cannot. Yeah, so usually management fee is used with MAM accounts or PAM accounts, and performance fee, volume fee, and joining fee is used with copy trading. The most frequently used fee types. Performance fee. Yeah, so what is the high water mark? High water mark is a sum of profit and loss at the moment of a fee payment. When we start, it's a zero, yeah, because you start with zero P&L. But for example, at the end of the month, client made $1,200 of profit. So he pays $600 of fees, 50%. But his sum of his P&L is $1,200. $1,200 is his high water mark. Next time, he will be paying for the profit he made above this level. So at the end, sorry, at the middle of the third month, yeah, he has $2,300. So he made 1,100 more above the high water mark. So he pays $550 of fees only from above. Yeah, so from $2,300. And at the end of the fourth month, he made additional 700 above the high water mark. So he pays only for this amount. This is the high water mark principle, is the industry standard. Yeah, I mean, like everybody expect to have it, and this is how it works. Is it clear? And while you're making pluses, minuses, I will tell you about options for calculations, yeah, of fees. Because performance fee is paid from net profit investor makes with money manager. But net profit can be either sum of realized P&L, only profit for closed trades, yeah? Or it can be a sum of profit from closed, P&L from closed trades and P&L from open trades, yeah? Includes floating profit. It also can be sum of realized P&L and only includes floating loss. So if investor has floating profit, his equity is bigger than balance. Yeah, at the moment of fee payment, he doesn't pay from this paper profit, unrealized profit. But if equity is lower than balance, then it's included in the sum of P&L, yeah, which is the base for fee payment. And we also can consider or as a loss or just ignore existence of volume fees. Yeah, so we have in total we have 6 different fee types. We prefer to pay from sum of realized plus floating P&L and exclude volume fees. Yeah, but you can change it in one click in admin panel. And the last one, it's fee sharing with IPs. Super cool feature, especially for those clients who are using our B2COPY because it's integrated with our IB module. Yeah. So now with this feature, your IBs can earn not only IB rewards they expect to have, yeah, like I don't know, percent from spreads or commissions, whatever, from their clients, but they also can get percent from fees investors referred by IBs pay to money managers. So this guy, third investor, pays $100 and he pays $100 to money manager, yeah? But because he was attracted by IB, $20 goes to agent and $80 goes to money manager. So instead of earning just percent from commissions, you pay from your pocket. They can get extra money from investors. IBs earn more, you have same expenses at the same level, yeah, because investors pay to IBs. So it's super cool for them. It doesn't make any load for you. So yeah, and it's incentivized a lot, I guess. So we have two options how fee sharing can be set. Yeah, either it's automatically with our B2 core and IB settings, so you can make it multi-level. IB level first gets 10% from fees, second level 5%, third level 3%. But also money managers can create a special promo codes with wallets of IBs inside of their master account settings. But this is the one of the best features we have. Yeah, so it's super cool. It's incentivized. It helps you to make your IB program, your IB partnership offer much more attractive than without it, because they can do the same job but earn times more than without fees. Is it clear? Plus, minus, and we move forward to client UI. Okay, so I still expect questions if you have, but if not, we move here. Client UI. I showed you how investors can invest. Yeah, they just need to sign in to the platform. They go to leaderboard and they click follow. So they choose a trader, they go to statistics page, they analyze how they trade, instruments they trade, how many trades they made, some statistics about trades. They can see trading history. By the way, each of these modules you can turn off or modify through admin panel. Yes, so it's optional to you if you want to show trading history or not. And money managers can adjust it as well. Yes, so it's customizable. But the ultimate version, yeah, of what you can show is here. Yeah, so a lot of different things can be shown, including balance, equity charts, etc. So if client wants to invest, he clicks follow button. It should be here if I'm not subscribed to this money manager. For example, here. Yeah, so I click follow and I can subscribe to any of my available accounts, existing accounts, or I can create a new one from here and subscribe. So it's super simple from investors' point of view. But if we want to be masters, the flow is a bit different. If you don't mind, I will sign out. I will sign in. I will create my new user record and show you the flow. So so up. So, okay, so I've created a new user because we have a wizard for account creation. Yeah, and it has some steps for new users and for existing ones. I already had with that account existing master account, so this is why I start fresh. I click here, create a new master account. I click proceed. So now I've created a new MetaTrader 5 account. Yeah, I've received login password to my email already. And now I need to give a name of a strategy for my new account. So I make it cool webinar master, yeah, which is made for you. I also can give a strategy description here, or I can just skip this step and click proceed. At the next step, I set my fee plan. Yeah, so I want as a master, investors pay me. Yeah, so I set performance fee here and volume fee, $3 per lot and 30% of their profit on a weekly basis. That's fine. I click proceed. Now, because I don't have my user pick and nickname set, I need to specify it. So I will be best trader, and I will choose this guy. Let it be this guy. So I just pick up the picture, save it, and I can upload a picture right after. So it can be your photo, it can be like a picture, so clients can do whatever they want, yeah, to upload pictures. So I've did it, and now at the last step, I can make a deposit from my wallet, yeah, to my new account or from my another accounts I have. So it's super straightforward, even for masters. If I don't have money, I can click cancel and that's it. So I have my master account here. It's available on leaderboard. Clients can find it there. I can find my subscribers of my account here, but I cannot do anything with them because it's a copy trading account. I can see the trading report here, but the same trading report as clients have in their trading terminals. I can see statistics page here. It's the same as in leaderboard, but on your own page, yeah? And settings. Money managers have a lot of different settings. And PAMM account managers have even more for their rollovers. Yeah. So actually, money managers, they can edit descriptions. They can even use different formatting for making readable and nice descriptions of their strategies. They can change fee plans. They can change how many positions are visible inside of the statistics page. They can set promo offers. For example, they are running educational courses outside of your brokerage company, and they want to share a promo code. They want their customers, students, subscribe to their account. So they can create a promo code for them and share it there. And instead of 30%, they will get webinar. They will get 15% and zero volume fee. So let's create it. This promo code. Let's find my account here. This is my best trader. So I click follow. And this is how promo code works. So I fill it here. I click apply. Fee plan changed. So money managers can create special fee plans for friends, family, and some clients who they know. But take a look here. When I click follow on my account with promo code, it shows a field of promo code. But if it's like some random account which doesn't have promo codes, promo code field is not shown here. So we don't show promo codes options if money managers have not created them. So let's get back here one time. And they also have a few more settings, like privacy settings. So account can be visible on leaderboard, it can be hidden on leaderboard, it can be password protected from subscriptions. And of course, money manager can set minimum deposit. So accounts with deposits lower than this threshold will not be able to subscribe to this money manager. Do you have any questions about the UI? Actually, for installations without our B2 core, user flow almost same. So with just small exceptions. Instead of creation accounts from scratch, maybe you will need to fill here login and password for account you have with the brokerage company. But that's it. Settings and UI is the same, but it's available in iframe for embedding to your CRM. So if you have any questions or you want to go deeper in some details with client UI, ask a question or just write plus if everything is clear. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will move forward, but if you have questions, I expect to see them in the chat. So we've covered client UI, and now we'll cover the admin panel. Just the main functions of admin panel. So now it's based on our admin panel of B2 Core. So if you have a B2 Core, you are familiar with it. If not, you will not have any extra functions. You will have only the functions you need. And all main things are happening inside of the investment platform section. So if you have two different platforms, you will have two different menu items. If you have only one, you will not see this choice, but you will see like copy trading, PAMM, MAM. So if you want to find copy trading masters, you go to copy trading and to masters section. If you want to find copy trading investors, you go to copy trading and investors section. Here you will find all the links between masters and investors. And the same for PAM accounts and MAM accounts. For different account types, we have different settings. So these settings are about trading. So for PAM accounts, it could be like options for rollovers, for logic available for clients, and the default logic for PAM accounts. Here for copy trading, if positions should be copied to new investors or not, something like that. Web UI settings, they are same for all account types, but individual. So you can show or hide leaderboard. You can show or hide some fields on leaderboard and copy trading, but show them on PAM accounts, and vice versa. So you can create a special view of that pages for each account type individually. And you even can make available different feed types for different account types. So for PAM accounts and MAM accounts, for example, you make available management fee, but it doesn't make sense. Nobody have used it in copy trading by purpose. Yeah, so you can just leave performance fee and trade fee, maybe joining fee in copy trading, but make available more fee types for MAM accounts because MAM accounts are supposed to be used by professionals, not retail clients. So we have individual settings, that, and that ones for copy trading PAM and MAM accounts. And we have general settings like symbol mapping, for example, which is a platform-wide. We need symbol mapping for copying trades from, for example, VIP account to standard account. Yeah, if they have different symbols. So you can set it like with suffixes, or you can make a manual mapping, for example, XAU equals to gold. It's also possible, but manually, instrument by instrument. So if you talk about how you see the accounts, you have table with all main columns you want to see here for each account. And we have different pages inside of the admin panel, like with properties, it's general properties for accounts. Now we don't hide any unused fields, yeah, because like it's made for administrators, so you need to see them. So properties, fee plans, promo codes. Here you can see the subscriptions, active subscriptions for masters, investors, partnership settings, and etc. Yeah, so you have everything inside of the admin panel. And actually, the biggest release is coming soon. So starting from the end of this month, we are starting releasing our new admin panel. Yeah, and it will look like this way. So this is our new admin panel, which will be released at the end of this month. And all our new clients will get it from the very beginning. So existing clients will be getting it week by week. New clients will start from it from their first days. Yeah, so it's the same, actually, almost same admin panel as I showed to you before, but in a better way. So we've made some changes. We've made huge changes in UX and UI. It's faster. It looks nicer. It's more convenient for using, especially when you're managing clients and their links. So, for example, now we are highlighting columns which are used for allocation method. Yeah, so for allocation method, proportionally by equity multiplied on risk ratio, equity and risk ratio are used. Yeah, so we highlight them so you understand how the position will be copied. So yeah, that will be available from the end of this month. So do you have any questions regarding the admin panel? Plus or minus? Any reaction, please? Okay. So I'd like to end with some interesting things. First of all, how to promote it better to your clients. Yeah. One of our actually, I will share two insights. Yeah, what you can do and approaches which are super successful. The first one is to offer the copy trading to clients who are withdrawing money from your company. Yeah, I mean, like when clients, traders try to withdraw their profit from their accounts, you can call them and tell them, hey, don't withdraw. Let's create a master account from your existing account where you have made the profit. And usually clients say, yeah, why not? Because you can explain him that you will be trading on the same account, same strategy, do the same things, but at the end of the month, you will be getting percent from the profit. At the end of the month or week, you will be getting percent of the profit of all profits which investors made with you, yeah, who are following you. And because we are making a master account from already existing account you have, statistics for the leaderboard will be generated on the fly. So this is how you can create a lot of masters from your existing accounts. Yeah, clients will not say you no. So you can just don't leave it there. Show investors that you keep your profits on your account. If we create master account, you will earn more. You will be earning by profits. So that's great. And etc., etc., etc. So your sales team will understand how to say it better, yeah. But just ask people not to withdraw and convert their accounts into master accounts when they try to withdraw their profits. That's amazing. Works perfect. The second thing, which is super popular this year, I don't know why it wasn't previous years, but this year, super popular for prop companies and for brokerage companies as well. Reverse copying. We have few successful cases when brokerage companies started copying trades their own accounts, but in reverse. They started copying their existing clients in reverse. And existing clients lose money, they win a bit. It's not like one-to-one proportion, yeah, because when client opens a trade, he pays spread and commissions. When you open a trade as a broker, you pay spread and commissions, lower, but still you pay spread and commissions, yeah. So you will not earn the same amount as client lose, yeah, on your account. But if you choose accounts properly, you can have huge volumes and maybe even some profit, yeah. You have much better trading conditions than your clients, so maybe you will be earning good money with that approach. We see really good results from some of our clients. And actually, how much volumes you need to make to cover expenses for the B2COPY? Let's take some assumptions. Yeah, if you have your own numbers or you have another numbers, please write them here so we can adjust this page. But usually, broker commissions are about $5, maybe $10 per lot. On average, clients from each $1,000 they've deposited to their accounts, they are making turnover from $1 to $3 million. If you take these assumptions, broker earns from different instruments different amount of money. So, for example, from Euro USD, it's about from 45 to 91 dollars per million of turnover. So, if your clients making 1 million per $1,000, broker earns on average this amount from with 1 million with 2 millions. It's 2 times more. With 3 millions, it's 3 times more. So how much money your clients need to invest, how much money you need to get in copy trading to cover all the expenses? B2COPY costs $2.5 minimum monthly payment if it's bought standalone. I mean, like without any other products. If you have other products, yeah, with our company, maybe you're eligible to have a bundle, yeah, with B2Core, liquidity, and etc. So maybe you can just have some discounts from the numbers. But if you buy just B2COPY, it starts from $2,500. And if you have $18,000 or $25,000, 95% you will cover all the expenses. So you don't need to have here millions to cover expenses for B2COPY, but even if you attracted like $20,000, $30,000, you're covering these expenses and starting earning profits. So it's not a huge amount of money you need to attract with copy trading or PAMM accounts to start making profits with this product. It can be money generating product from the first month. You don't need to wait for a long time. Yeah, so it's not like starting from scratch, a big project. You can just create master accounts from existing clients. You can make some promotions. You can stop withdrawals of your existing clients with this pitch. I've told you before. So yeah, 25K will cover all the expenses for that product. So now it's time for Q&A because I've told everything I wanted to tell. Does prop trade include in those services and $2,500 for copy trade only for or for the package? Prop trading is not included in the services, so it's extra. 2.5 for copy trade and MAM, $3,000 for copy PAMM and MAM. But as soon as you have B2 core, so let's discuss these prices with you individually because maybe you're eligible for a bundle. Yeah, so maybe you can just upgrade your package right now. And the whole package will cost you 2.5. But this price includes everything. Yeah, so the minimum monthly payment for B2COPY is 2.5K, but it includes everything. I mean, like maintenance, support, hosting, everything. So it includes everything you need except your marketing. Yeah, so you need to make marketing, but all the tech stuff we do on our own. Thank you, and I will finish this webinar.